Hello and welcome to this hsbMake video on the Randek integration that we introduced with version 28. My name is Andrew Baker-Keane and I'm going to be giving you a quick overview of how this integration works. For many years, hsbCAD has been able to automatically generate the CNC data to run the equipment inside an offsite manufacturing facility. But we've also been working with the equipment manufacturers in order to be able to get a seamless integration with their hardware and our software. HSB Design has a very data-rich model which we pass to hsbMake and in turn have a two-way communication with the clients on the shop floor. With this integration, we not only can pass information to Randek, but we can also, with Randek Planner running the zero label, receive information from them that tells us when things have been actioned. Let's see how this looks in the software. If we look at the production viewer and filter out a factory so we only consider the Randek line, we have a loading into the Randek Planner. And then we also have the unloading of the information from the zero label line. This allows us to book in as we would do anywhere else in the system, and when we book out, that information is actually automatically transferred through to the Randek Planner. If I now open the Randek Production Planner, you can see the order I was processing appears in the production queue. If we now look at the elements, you can go to the order, and inside that order is all of the panels that were transferred during this process. Opening up a single element inside here using Randek's viewer, you can see the geometry of a panel has actually been transferred. This proves that the CNC data was also generated during this process. If we now look a little bit closer at this panel, you can see that the nailing pattern is also present as this was included in the CNC data. The Randek Planner allows us to actually check off as though it was produced on the shop floor. This can be done individually, or as you can see, I can click off all of them. I've also brought into the screen the hsbMake buffers and units so that you can see by completing the order in the production queue, it automatically processes these on the hsbMake side. To summarize, the Randek integration eliminates double entry of data because you no longer have to add data to both the Randek system and the hsbMake system. This removes any errors that could happen during this manual process. It also means that it saves time because you only have to enter the data once. This also gives you great consistency across the factory, as hsbMake is not only looking at Randek, it's looking at all your saws and all the other machinery that is being used to process your product. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for sparing the time to watch this video. It demonstrates how hsbMake is continuing with its full integration of all new and existing equipment that will be going into factories for offsite manufacture.